In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule all times on Google Calendar. By the end, you'll be able to plan your entire day in clear, organized time blocks so every hour has a purpose. Start by opening your browser and heading to google.com. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid, then choose Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the correct account if you use more than one, so your events land in the right place. Once Calendar opens, switch to Day View. On desktop, look to the top right and click Day. This view shows your day broken into hour-by-hour slots, which makes it much easier to fill every time period without overlapping appointments. Now click the time slot where you want to start your day. For example, click 6 o'clock a.m., a quick event window appears, type a clear title like Wake Up, then save. If the default duration isn't right, you can drag the bottom edge of the event to adjust the length or open the event to set exact start and end times. Clarity now makes your schedule easier to follow later. Next, move to the 7 o'clock a.m. slot and add bath time. Keep going chronologically. Think of this like laying down tiles across your day so there are no gaps you weren't expecting. Click 8 o'clock a.m. and add travel, then click 9 o'clock a.m. and add class. Each time, give your event a straightforward title. If it helps, you can assign a color or choose a specific calendar from the dropdown so personal, school, or work items are easy to distinguish at a glance. Continue filling the rest of your day in the same way. Click a time, type the title, adjust the duration if needed, and save. As you build out your schedule, include buffer times where you realistically need them, like a short break after a meeting or a few minutes between tasks, so your plan feels achievable. If you make a mistake or your plans change, simply drag an event to a new time or open it to edit the details. The day view makes those adjustments quick and precise. Work your way through until your whole day is planned from start to finish. When you're done, take a quick scan down the column to confirm there are no overlaps and that the flow of tasks makes sense. That's all it takes to schedule all times on Google Calendar. Open Calendar, switch to Day View, click each time slot, add clear titles like Wake Up, Bath Time, Travel, and Class, and keep going until your day is fully mapped.